Today, more often than before, organizations are using electronic documents, and it is highly likely that your organization has minimized on the use of physical documents. Therefore, your boss sends you an email in which you are supposed to sign a certain document online, or even you yourself, you want to send something to your boss or your colleague, or even a partner in your organization, and you need to sign it electronically. So the big question is, how do we go about signing electronic documents? For us to be able to sign electronic documents, we need to have electronic signatures. But how do we create electronic signatures, bearing in mind that traditionally we are used to appending our signatures on a physical document? So today I'm going to take you through the process of creating your own electronic signature and signing a document electronically. Here I have with me a sample letter of a Chief Technology Officer who is writing to the Chief Executive Officer requesting for travel grant extension. And in this particular letter, the Chief Technology Officer is expected to sign this letter and send it via email. And in signing this letter, the Chief Technology Officer has to append the signature over here. Now the big question, how can the Chief Technology Officer go about it? And even you yourself, how can you go about it? So the process is very simple. The first thing that you do is take a white piece of paper, then append your signature on that white piece of paper. Take your smartphone and capture that particular image of your signature using your smartphone camera. Then you crop it to the desired size. Like here, I have captured my signature with my smartphone, cropped it, and then transferred it to my computer. And you can be able to see it here in form of an image. If you look here, you can be able to see that it is a JPG image. Yours could be a JPEG, it could be a PNG, anything is acceptable here, so long as it is an image. Now, the next process that we need to consider is, how now do we convert this particular image into a desirable electronic signature? Here, I'm using Adobe Acrobat Reader to open this particular sample letter. And Adobe Acrobat Reader is an open source software, which means that it is free for you to download on the internet, and it is also free for you to use. You don't have to incur the cost of buying a license for you to use it. So in Adobe Acrobat Reader, we have a navigation bar over here, and in this navigation bar, we have this pen over here, the pen icon over here, and once you hover over this pen icon, it reads, or it provides you with a text that says, sign document by typing or drawing a signature. So you click on this particular icon of a pen, and once you click on it, what happens is that it provides you with two options. The first option is what is known as add signature, and the second option is what is known as add initials. I want to discourage you from using add initials, because if you use add initials, anybody can easily type your initials. For example, if you are called John Doe, anybody can easily type JD, so your signature will be compromised. That's why I advocate for you to use a signature. So once you click on this one, another window will pop up, and this window has three main options. The first option provides you with an option to type your signature, like you can type your signature like I'm doing. However, just like initials, anybody can easily type this one, and your signature can easily be used by others without your consent. The other one provides you with an option to draw the signature. Here you use your mouse to draw the signature. So you just click on your mouse and then you start drawing the signature. But now the main problem or challenge with this one is you may not be consistent every time you want to sign the document. So you may have varying signatures, and your documents may not become legally binding if the signature is inconsistent. So the third option and the best option that we have is to use the image that we just captured. So if you click here on the image, what happens is that Adobe Acrobat Reader takes you to your computer's folders where you have saved the image, and if it doesn't take you to where you have saved the image, you can be able to navigate to where you have saved the image and select the image that contains your signature. Remember, and I insist remember, that the image must be cropped so that we don't have a lot of white paper that does not contain any text. Then you click on open. Once you click on open, your signature appears here. But now you'll notice that what Adobe Acrobat Reader has done is that it has extracted the background from your signature and left only the text that contains your signature. So you click apply, And once you click apply, your signature will appear in your document, and now you can be able to move your signature to the place where you want to actually sign. You can be able to move your signature to the place where you want to sign. Like in this case, I want to place it here. And once you place it there, if perhaps your signature is bigger or smaller than your desired size, in this box that appears over here at the bottom right corner, you can be able to put your cursor there and resize it to your desired size. So make sure that you get the most perfect size for you. Then once you do that, you just click on close over here. You can see where my cursor is hovering, and once you click on close, you get a perfectly signed document using an electronic signature. It's a very simple process. It's an easy to use process, and I believe that you can be able to do it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, and if there's anything that you'd like to communicate with us in the comment section, please do so. We really appreciate your comments. Thank you. See you in the next video.